welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. Hi, sweet friends. Happy Friday. I know, I'm all over the place, but I'm telling you something right now. I have a big announcement, a really big announcement. Things are changing. I'm going to change things up. I know I've been all over the place for a while now, and I just want to thank you all. Before I get into this video, before I jump right into this video, I want to thank my loyal subbies, my ride or die, my true subbies, the ones that watch every single video I make, the ones that comment, the likes, the shares, the thumbs up. You guys know who you are. You know I'm talking directly to you. We've been together on this journey, this YouTube journey, for a really long time, and I feel that I truly have let you down. First of all, I got very, very sick, very sick, and there was nothing I could do about that. And my health has lingered, like it's lingered on, so it hasn't been the best. And that's why you haven't seen video after video after video, because I have always, for years, done 3 videos a week. And sometimes I do one. I do one, and I do the Monday one. And then sometimes I do 2, which was, I was doing Monday and Thursday. And then here I am today on a Friday. So I know I've been all over the place. I'm very sorry. Just be patient with me. I got a whole bunch of things up my sleeve. I got all these ideas, and I'm going to have to change things up. I'm going to have to change things up, but I'm very excited for it. I'm very excited for it. So, okay. We're in my bedroom. Welcome to where the magic happens. Not. Well, this is where Bella sleeps. This is where I sleep. This is my comfort zone, my everything. You saw the video of where I transform my bedroom. I love it. It's so peaceful. It's so relaxing. It needs a TV is one thing I need to buy. And I need to renovate that bathroom ASAP because it's horrible. Anyways, so this a little bit of clean with me, a little bit of decorate with me. I want to show you something before we get right into the video. You are going to see this little bottle in this video. What is this, Bella? Well, let me tell you. Okay, so what's in this my little amazing DIY concoction? I urge you all to make this. Okay, so very simple. You're going to find your favorite Arm & Hammer smell. It has to be the Arm & Hammer. Okay, so I got a bunch of them, because I'll tell you why. I like this smell, the Purifying Waters. I think this one is from Dollar General. Because, let me tell you something. You can't find every smell at every store. So that's another thing. This one is from Dollar General, and this one is from Walmart. And this is Maui Sunset. Oh my God, it smells so good. But this, the Purifying Waters, smells amazing. Okay, they all smell amazing. I like things that smell good. That's me. So what you're going to do if you want to make this, first of all, I got these little bottles, linked in my Amazon shop, link down below. You know, every time you go into my Amazon link and you buy anything, not stuff I'm showing, but anything, you know, helps a girl out. It really helps a girl out. It really does. It really does. And I'm telling you, I really appreciate if you do it. So these little bottles are linked in my Amazon store. You don't have to buy them. Please don't feel obligated to buy them. I'm sure you can find little bottles like this at Dollar Tree or wherever. So you're going to take a little bottle and you're going to take some of this. How much of this, Bella? Okay, well, less than a cap full. So let me show you. You're going to take about that much. So the palm of my hand. So way less than I put in the cap. Okay, you see that? Way less. So yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot for this little bottle. Now maybe if you've got a bigger bottle, you could put a little bit more in. But you know, and then I just fill it with water and I shake it up. And it is the best fabric refresher I have ever found. It is, let me put this down. So the blue one I like for the bedrooms and linens, and I spray, you know, sometimes when you wash a lot of towels and stuff, because here I know I'm rambling, but I really want to share this with you. When you wash your blankets, or you wash sheets, and if you're like me and you have like 6-7 sets of sheets and a million blankets, once a week when I'm cleaning, when I'm doing my big cleaning, I take my little bottle and I go into my linen closet and I just spray. I spray them and it just gives it that boost of refresh. But I do this every day. When I know it's a little excessive, but when I make my bed, because I don't want to see wrinkles, I don't know, don't ask me how it works, but it works. It smooths out my sheets. It makes them fresh. It makes them feel like they just came out of the dryer every single day. I change my sheets once a week. I live by myself. I am a single woman. And you know, I think that's acceptable once a week. Some people say, no, you should do it more often. But I say once a week. I think that's good enough. But I like that smell. Okay. All right, Bella, you rambled enough about the little DIY, but I'm telling you all, that DIY, that fabric refresher DIY works so, so good. I spray it on the couch. I spray it on chairs. I spray it on pillows. I spray it on my curtains, on the seat on my table, like my chairs in my kitchen. My chairs are fabric. The seats are fabric. In my dining room, I do in my dining room. I love it. And you know where else you can spray it? Faux flowers. And I know you're watching me. You got a lot of faux flowers, just like I do. All right, now let's get into this video. Let's make this room the most fabulous fall bedroom. So on this day, I had originally put baking soda on my mattress because did you know that putting baking soda on your mattress and letting it sit for a few hours really refreshes your mattress? So that was something I had done that day. And I already talked about my little DIY fabric refresher. I just love this thing. I swear to God, I love it so much. I highly, highly recommend you try it. Just try it. You will never regret it. Now, I know you all know how to make a bed, but I really wanted to show you how I do it. And I think it's pretty simple. It's just really easy peasy. I like lots of pillows. I mean, I would like more, but then at night, it takes forever to take them off. And I know you see that like long stringy thing hanging from the ceiling. That's the cord for my fan. Y'all, when you live in Southwest Florida, if you don't have fans going at all times, you might melt. I'm just kidding. Anyways, here we go. Let's get some decor. I'm starting to switch my stuff out. I'm taking all the pretty pink flowers and really soft flowers and changing them up for some fall florals. But let's get to these mirrors first, because my God, does dust ever accumulate everywhere all the time? All the time. Okay, so I have finished dusting and I'm really going to take all these florals off. So I thought about this arrangement, but then I thought, no, let's do something better. I have these sweater pumpkins that I made a few years ago. They are so cute, and I thought, why not? Let's use them. Then by the window, I just switched out the florals. I put in these beautiful fall eucalyptus. I think they look gorgeous. And this I just picked up from Ross. $9.99, y'all. Don't sleep on Ross, I'm telling you. Ross is the place to shop for home decor. They got some amazing, amazing deals. And by the way, I was there the other day because I picked up that stuff you'll see in this video. And look at that. Isn't that cute? $4.99, Ross. And look at my pumpkin pillow. I know I wanted one of these. I went to Target looking for it. Couldn't find it. But so cute. So, so cute. So I love it. I love how this is going to turn out. It is so cute. Now, here I'm playing with my throw blanket. And I'm thinking I could do better. Do you have one of these? Do you have one of these quilt coverlets? They're always nice and cozy to have on your bed, and they make a nice weighted blanket. So there we go. We're almost done. What do you think? It's so pretty. I think it is just enough. It has all the touches of fall I want. It says welcome to fall. It's brought in the oranges and the reds, and I love it. I think it's just enough. It's just enough to say hello to the fall season. I brought in things that I love. It's not over cluttered. I didn't really move anything. You saw that. You saw that I did not move anything. I just added faux florals. And I like the things I got at Ross. I love that pillow. That mushy pillow. I know you can find them at Target. I looked, I couldn't find them. And I think Aldi has them also. So if you're looking for those pumpkin pillows. I love what I did by the window. I think it brought in just perfect touches. So thank you for sticking around and watching the video with me. Or, you know what I meant. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please, please, please give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, share. Girls, I love your comments. Ladies and gentlemen, I love your comments. So keep them coming. And I will be back on Monday with a big announcement. Hopefully we'll get it done by Monday and I can have my announcement on Monday. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Have a great, great weekend. See you Monday.